Alright, 18 is your captain again, Terraine, with all Terraine Cleaning Solutions, LLC. Visit us on our website, allterraine.com. Terraine with 2 R's and the E at the end, allterraine.com. So today, we're out in Vineyard, we're doing a window wash cleaning service, alright? We do this for all of our existing clients. Something as an add-on service. It's a pretty big property here. We have about 48 windows in totality, about 9 to 10 patio sliders, plus, when I say patio sliders, that means including the bay windows. So 9 big windows or patio doors. So see, I want to move quick. You got to be right here with me. So if you look right here in this particular window, we always get all this so you can see on the actual frame itself. You see the discoloration. There's nothing that we did. We get all around the frames, everything, right? Get all this. We use a soft wash, soft bristle. We use a cleaning solution. It's going to get rid of all of the spider webs and things like that. All right. So here we go again. Here we go. We got this another big bay window right there. So we already see 2 big bay windows. We helped our client take off all of the screens where there were screens at. We're going to wash the screens. That comes in the actual window cleaning. And so we have our solution right here, and we're getting ready to get to it here. All right, so we're going to get this front side. Like I said, a pretty big house. So we're doing the front side, we're doing each side right here, and so you can see the windows right there. If I kind of go up in here, so I'm going to show you what it looks like. Take that out there now, Elijah. So if you look in here, you can see all the dirt inside of the frames. I always like to get this right here. Look at the glass, right? I can see dirt on the outside. Look, I'll go like that. Yeah, definitely dirt on the outside, right? Spider webs and stuff like that. So we're gonna get all of this all cleaned out. Same thing. We'll get these windows right here. Now these aren't too bad, but I mean you can definitely see the frames right there. So we manually come and wipe all this stuff down with our rags and with our solution, and we clean the screens as well. Same thing with this here. Just want to get a quick visual. All right, this is the front side of it. So this is what it looks like at first. You can see. And that's what you want to do. This is preventative maintenance. If you want to keep your property looking really nice, is if you have a nice home, okay, your home is your castle. So you definitely should take care of it, right? Definitely take care of your home. And you can tell, like I said, that our clients here, they take care of their home. Now these windows are going to be so clean. Like you see, oh, I seen a streak right there, but that just came off right there. So you see that right there. Let's take a look at this one back here. I'm going to go to the back right here. So anyhow, this is our cleaning, our first clean of the day. Right? I told them I did suggest that they should get a exterior wash, because you can see bird droppings and stuff like that. And you see bird droppings all on the angles right up there. So anyhow, but you can see whatever's in the inside. Like, see, that's a little bit of, I just wiped that right there. That's gonna come off right there. So these are gonna come so clean on the inside. We only do, at this point, we only do exterior window cleaning, okay? We don't do the insides, going in the inside, stuff like that, because we are an exterior cleaning company. So we offer exterior cleaning services like roof soft wash, exterior soft wash, hard surface cleaning, things of that nature. So anyhow, visit allterraine.com, and there's the young entrepreneur in training. They say, the Bible says in Proverbs 22:6, train up a child the way they should go. And here he is with his dad. And so you guys go ahead and like, subscribe to the channel. Let us know. I mean, positive encouragement and reinforcement for the next generation, for the youth. All right, we'll catch you in the next one. We'll be back with the after photos of this whole job. All right, take care.